my channel and welcome to Spain. We are in Nerja now and I'm here with my boyfriend and his sister and her boyfriend, and we are here for around a week and then we're gonna go to Marbella as well. So I think I'm gonna do two different vlogs, one from here and one from Marbella. But now we just ate lunch and we were at the pool this morning and now we are heading to the beach. But I'm super excited to be here. I love Spain and I love Nerja. I've been here since I was a little kid, so this is super exciting. But now let's head to the beach. We left the beach pretty early. We didn't stay there for really long because it was really hot and it was quite crowded. So we left and we got ready and then we had some pizza and then now we are heading towards the Nerja Centrum and we're gonna go see some shops and yeah, just hang around for the night. And tomorrow I think we're going to Marbella, so I'm not gonna film, or I will film, but it's gonna be in another video. So I will continue this vlog the day after, I think. So yeah, let's enjoy this night. Good morning. It is like 7 a.m. in the morning and the sun has just risen. We are heading to the beach. We're gonna go take some photos and yeah, there's not gonna be many people at the beach. That's why we want to take them early because, well, the lighting is also good in the mornings, and then yeah, the beaches are pretty small here, so they are pretty crowded, so we want to take photos when there's not many people. So yeah, let's head to the beach and take some cool photos. Alright, it is afternoon now. I totally forgot to film. But yeah, after the beach we went to the pool and then we had some lunch, and then my brother's sister and her boyfriend, they did some packing, and now we came to the roof to tan a bit more, and then tonight we're gonna go have some dinner at the town. So yeah, that's pretty much what's been happening today, and tomorrow is our last day here as well, so pretty sad to leave soon. But yeah, it's been super lovely and warm here, so been loving it a lot. A lot of relaxing and tanning, so that's, and swimming, so that's really nice. But now let's go tan and I will bring you along to dinner. Alright, we just had dinner and then we got ice creams for dessert, and the food was pretty good. It wasn't anything spectacular, but it was like normal. I had pasta and, well, everyone had some pasta food. But the restaurant that we went, it was really nice. We sat outside and there were these super beautiful flowers, so it was really nice to sit outside with those flowers. But now we are gonna go to bed because tomorrow we have to wake up super early to take my boyfriend's sister and her boyfriend to the airport. So we have to wake up at like 4, so now it's time to go to bed. But good night, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow. We are in Malaga now. We actually dropped off my boyfriend's sister and her boyfriend to the airport at like 4 a.m. and then we went back to bed, and then we came back now to Malaga because we are gonna do some furniture shopping. We are here at IKEA and we're gonna go find if we can find some chairs for the balcony in the apartment, because one of the chairs is broken, and also we need some more wine glasses and stuff, so we decided to come here. But now let's go find some chairs. Oh right, after we came back from IKEA, we just cleaned the apartment, and yeah, we didn't do much else. And now we are in town. We took some photos, and now we're gonna go have some dinner. And this is our last day, so it's pretty sad. The vacation went past so fast, and yeah, but super happy that we got to be here. But this was it for this Nerja vlog. I hope you enjoyed this time here. Give this video a thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!